What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Clipboard in Windows 11. This is not for only Windows 11. You can use the same steps to enable with Clipboard in Windows 10 as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to right click on Windows Start Bar and go to Settings. And in here, go to System. If it is not selected by default, you need to scroll down until you see Clipboard. Click on it. In here, Clipboard History, you need to make this turn on. So now the Clipboard History is enabled. You can use it anywhere in your system. Let me show you. I'm gonna go to Google and I'm gonna search for something. Okay, let's search for USA. I'm gonna go to first link. Okay, let's say you copy this text. Let's say right click, copy, and you forgot to paste it somewhere. So you're gonna copy another one by mistake. Now, if I paste it here, you can see I am pasting the last copied text. So you cannot go to previous copied text. So what you can do is instead of pressing Ctrl V, you need to press Windows key to V. Then you get this pop-up. In here you have all the history of what you copied. As you can see, this is the last copied text, but this is the previous one. You just need to click on it and it will paste it here. That's simple. And let me show you. There are some other settings you can see. You can delete one copied text by deleting here, and you can clear all. That's a feature. And in here also you can use emojis as well. Say you need to put emoji, you can put like this. See, all the emojis are there. And you can put GIF. I don't think this is allowed, GIF. No, if it is allowed, you can put anywhere. Okay, like a Facebook message or something, you can use Ctrl V and go to GIF, search for any GIF you want, and click on it and it will send. So that's how you use Clipboard in Windows 11 and also Windows 10. Okay, the next thing is, let's say you have like two PCs, you're using the same account. Like myself, I am using my office laptop and my personal gaming PC for the same account. So I need to go, if I copy in my office laptop, maybe I need to get that into my my gaming PC. So to do that, go to the same system Clipboard setting, and you can see sync across all the devices. Make it on, then it will automatically sync with all the devices. But you need to log into an account, and you need to log into both the PCs with the same account. Okay, if you are not logged in currently, if you press on here, you will get a pop-up saying sign in. So you need to sign in to that account. So that's it for today's video. I think that this quick tutorial is helpful for you to find out how to use and how to enable Clipboard in Windows 11 and also Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, press like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time with another tech video. Thank you. Bye bye.